The Miller of Ballawillin. A very old story is told of the Miller of Ballawillin, whose mill was at Baldon in the parish of Kirkbraden in the Isle of Man. John Cannell was his name. On a day soon after midsummer, he had to go over Skeealyn to meet a farmer at Erie Moor. Before starting, he told his son Finlo to put through the mill the barley of the nearby farm of Ardwallian, and added, Finlo, mind thou take the fuyu. The fuyu was a proportion of the meal ground for the farmer customer. That was the customary payment to the miller for grinding. It was always taken for granted that the miller was an honest man, although it was sometimes slyly said that the miller's pig was usually very fat. When John returned in the evening, he asked Finlo what he had done. I put through the mill the barley of Ardwallian, replied Finlo, and I've taken the fuyu. When Finlo had gone, his father said to himself, I don't believe a word of his mouth. I will go and take the fuyu myself. John had almost finished when he heard the landau singing on a drine growing outside the mill doorway. The bird was singing in Manx. Miller, the wicked one, Miller, the wicked one, they will take the fuyu twice, eh? They will take the fuyu twice. I will tell Ardwallian, I will tell Ardwallian, I will tell, I will tell, I will tell. The miller felt ashamed. He threw down the contents of the dollan in his hand. He put back all he had wrongfully taken, and never again did he act dishonestly.